Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today this is yet another app review session, and in today's episode I'm going to review Asana. Asana is one of the best AI project management tool which is available for all of us for free, of course. The idea behind bringing reviews of such tools for our community is that we make use of tools which are available for free, and also as you grow as a company, as a small scale business or a large enterprise, you can always upgrade to their better plans. With that being said, let's kickstart this review of Asana. So what is Asana? Asana is a work, task and project management tool that's designed to help teams organize, track and manage their work. You can think of it like a Asana's workspace or a work platform. You can stay on track and get more work done with Asana's platform. What I like the most, I like the clean interface, robust features, and the best part is that Asana can be perfect for an individual freelancer, a small team, or a large enterprise. It can fit all the needs. Let's talk a little bit about the features of Asana. Asana as a project management tool provides you all the features like projects with agile boards, Kanban boards, lists, timelines, calendars, real-time updates on project progress, task completion, comments, attachments, documents, mentions, you name it and you have it. Also, if you have a requirement of automation of some of the workflows, like say assigning tasks, sending reminders, etc., you can always add them. You can also integrate already existing productivity tools like Slack, Dropbox or Google Drive into Asana's platform. Asana.com also offers reporting and analytics to track team performance and identify bottlenecks. The free plan is too generous. I think it fits most of the requirements of a small company. But if you want more controls, you might want to go to enterprise or a premium one. A quick note on the pros and cons. Asana is one of the best, I would say that best design project management tool with really clean, intuitive. The colors, the brands that are used are awesome. Like it doesn't hurt eyes and it's much more appealing. It can support complex project workflows. It supports strong collaboration and integration options. Some of the cons, premium features are too expensive for small teams, I believe, which again depends from team to team. Whether you will require it or not, that's up to you to evaluate. Lacks time tracking without integration. So this is something that Asana's team can definitely improve upon, which is to have the time tracking, billing, payments within the platform so that freelancers, individuals, content creators can also start using Asana more robustly. That being said, let's explore. This is the URL. You'll go to asana.com. You can also use your Gmail to create an account and get started. Alright, so if you see, this is where the work connects. You can use it for almost all the things, all the departments in your company. Let's say marketing, operations, IT, product, all of that can fit and can start using Asana. Regular features, you can integrate all of these apps that you're seeing on your screen and much more into Asana so that this becomes your single source of truth. You can go to product and explore all the features if you would like for project management, goal setting, CRM, resource management, admin, and much more. Important thing for us is to talk about the pricing. Asana.com um, comes with a personal plan that I said, a $0 free forever plan. You see, it is one of the best project management tools because this has all the features almost unlimited which are needed by a small company or a small team, I would say. You can collaborate up to 10 team members, unlimited tasks, project messages, activity log, file storage, much more. I don't think, if you are not a really small team or a small company or an individual, you wouldn't need more than this. But if you are one, consider upgrading to either starter pack or advanced pack depending on your company's requirement and evaluation. But for our community of art tutorials, I will recommend you to use Asana for your project management requirements. Start with only $0 free forever plan. That's the best you can get for that. It's an awesome tool. I'm sure that you all must should give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section which other project management tool that you use or you recommend to our community. I look forward to hearing all of you in the comments. Please do hit that like button, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you in yet another app. I'll bring you free apps that our community can use. Thank you.